Alright, today I'm working on a 2007 or 2008, so this will apply to all 2007 to 2014 Chevy Silverado, Tahoes, Escalades, Z71s, Denalis, Yukons, Avalanche. So basically, we want to do the transmission pan, right? Looks easy, but it's a pain in the butt. It's not like the from the 2000 to 2006. It's not that easy. So basically, what you got to do, they want you to kind of drop down the partial exhaust, but that's not what I did. Exhaust bolts were on there pretty tight. You would think that they would be pretty easy to take off, since the motor's been replaced on this one. So first things first, what I did was I unbolted the whole pans, let the fluid drain in here. Here's the pan itself. Got to clean that up. I'm just showing you what I did. You're gonna have two 15 millimeters that sit right under here. Let's see if I can show that. So yeah, so you have one right there, and then the other one will be right there. You unbolt those, and then while the tranny's still all the way lower down on the transmission subframe, you probably need to pry against the exhaust just a tad bit, and then you can wedge like a 2x4. I put a 2x6 right there, and then I tried taking off the exhaust manifold because I thought I was going to be doing that, but the exhaust bolt snapped, so damn rusted. So you don't need to take this off. You can actually leave that on. That'll give you play. So I had the pry bar. I was actually prying from right here, just a tad bit where I can get this guy in, and then once I got it partial in, I kind of just use like a little dead blow hammer, or you can use a pry bar to wedge that guy right in. And after you get that guy right there, you can jack it from right there on the rear of the sub. This is the 4x4, so I jacked it right there at the tail housing. Make sure you don't jack it too much because you can break this. If you don't feel comfortable with yourself, you can jack it from right up here. Just remove this plate. I jacked it up from there earlier. I need to bend this back into place. But yeah, so after you get that, I would recommend you to use like super tack, or you can put like some silicone on the gasket itself. Now there is another bolts. I believe those are T40s you need to take off. That's going to be the shifter control. Again, my luck, the thing was stripped, so what I had to do, I had to take off the 4x4 front drive axle. Those are 211 millimeters right there. I used a pry bar in between that while I was taking that off, and then I had to drop down the center link just to get that guy right out. Thing wouldn't get out if my life depended on it. But yeah, I just wanted to put this video out there so it could help you out. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.